Yes, that's how you design the 007. Yes, I called it 007. Who calls it 007? Human, put me down so I can explain to these people why this is called 007. Start off with a font. Make sure you find something nice and beautiful. If you can't find an italicized version of the font, you can use a baseline font to make sure that it works. Then make sure that the colors are good so that you can see everything that you need to see. Now we have to focus on the 7. We're customizing it so that it looks good. Alright, this looks good. Now let's work on the 0, not O. O1, who says that? Make sure you delete the other and duplicate so that you don't need to do the same thing. Now we need to work on the gun. The good gun, not the bad guns. If you notice, there are various lines behind the design. I'm using these as guides and making sure that all the lines and everything is done properly, like how a cat villain would like. So I'm struggling with the length of this gun, but I need to find another way to make this more interesting. Make it hours, since we are from the future. Here's an inspiration from this weird space portal gun. That didn't work, so I took some inspiration from cylinders on the side. And look, it has a ball in front. So now, because the font is so dated, I'm gonna make my own. Using Bebas, I'll make sure that it's nice and bold, and I'll give it some character. See? Simple. Cutting it will give it a futuristic look. Let's do it. Make sure that you position everything accordingly so that everyone could be happy to see what you have designed. I think I'm happy with this. Looks good. But now the gun wouldn't work because of how round it is. So let's create a more squarey, yes, I said squarey type of gun. Think of it like the industrial look a dystopian gun would have. Trying to find and making it simpler, but it didn't work. Yes, I did try multiple, and I say multiple versions. And this is good, but it's not there yet. I know. We need something that will shoot out the bullets. Should be sharp, should be round. No, should just be a square. Like that. Now, the circly thing is around. Yes, I did say circly thing is. You can't say nothing. I'm the one designing the logo. Now, to give it some character, the barrel of the gun. Yes. See now? Making sure that it circulates nicely. Did you know that you can edit any of these shapes and it would still work? AI is good. And by AI, I mean Illustrator, not this new AI. AI. Cool. I think am I almost done? Now, let me see what I can change. How can I make this more interesting? This is the final look. Marvel at my brilliance. So this will prove the next cat James Bond. Cat Bonds. Cobalt. Flamboyant. Flamboyant? No. This is fluffy. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you found value in this.